Walking through the bathroom was quite a sight to see, yet I know it's a female's bathroom, so there's a lot of stuff gonna go on with it. There's gonna be lots of stuff hanging around and on counters. This person needed some space. This person needed an update badly. The furnishings were gold, just outdated. The jacuzzi bath was so old that the color was changing. It was from a white to a yellow. The countertops in the bathroom were an orange color with some type of hue in a marble style, which was outdated because pinks and oranges for a mixture of some grays with marble used to be popular back in the day. So the tile in the bath was already old, faded out, the grout was coming apart, and that happens due to a shift in the slab too. It shifts tiles, it moves the foundation, and it makes cracking and chips in tiles. So this really needed to be done. So the closet inside the bathroom to the right, as soon as we step in, was just a mess. The tile too has to go. That's gonna be changed, and we're gonna do something really fun. As soon as you walk in, it's gonna just stand out and continue inside beautifully into the closet to give it a whole new look and make the bathroom look bigger than it is. The first thing in order to get started is to go ahead and we'll start pulling out the tub, the counters, the vanity, the closet doors, the railings to the closet. We need to get this just to bare floors, and then also pull out the tile and chip it out and clean it up, the concrete, as perfect as we can in order to see what kind of foundation is underneath with cracks or what we need to fill it up.
Coming up, cracked grout between tiles can lead to this nightmare scenario of rotted wood and mold. Stay tuned.
During the process of tile removal, it is, of course, you have to wear your safety goggles and everything. I've done it before. It's not easy, but if you're willing to redo this bathroom, I mean, our installers are ready to do it and get excited about it. They're professionals. They do a great job, but in order to get this done, we're gonna have to clean this whole room out first. Go ahead and pull some of the walls out where the old shower was. During the removal of the tile and baseboards, some of the wood in the framing was rotted due to the fact that some of the cracks along the shower in the tile and the grout was seeping in to the foundation into the wood, and the wood was absorbing it along with the walls. Once we replaced the wooden studs, we went ahead and set up the Durarock and installed that. Now what Durarock is, it's not like drywall. You place it like drywall, but it is a cement board. It's not going to absorb water like drywall would, and it won't go ahead and mold on you. Anytime you're doing a shower renovation in the bathrooms with the toilet, you'll come up with some rust. You'll come up with some old pipes. What you want to do is make sure that a plumber can go ahead and do the redo of the pipes in the shower. So now into putting a freestanding tub, the plumbers had to go ahead and reroute the plumbing. So what you have to do is go ahead and break concrete at a certain angle wherever you're going to reroute that, put in the new plumbing, and go ahead and re-cement that right on top. And then we can go ahead and smooth it out and level it. So the family chose Edmonton Farms. The color is snow and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a 12 by 24 rectangular tile. It's porcelain, of course, by Emser and Carpet One. So this tile you can't get anywhere here except for our store. Now, what I did is I selected the polished for the walls so the water slips off it perfectly. For the floors, it's the same tile, but in a matte finish, unpolished, so it's not slippery. So what they do is they map it out, then make sure they have enough tile, check once again, and then start laying and cutting the tile. What they would do is go ahead and make sure that the floor is swept well. Next step into installing is you start doing the cuts. After you make your first cut, you lay thin set. The thin set is adhesive that keeps the tile to the ground. The next day you come in and you go ahead and grout. And the grout they chose was a beautiful silver pewter. Professional installation is so important. Those do-it-yourselfers, I've tried it myself. It's not easy. I've tried to do it myself. It's still, you've got to have been doing it for years. It is not something you can do on your own, especially when you're putting this amount of money into a project.
Coming up, you won't believe the stunning transformation by Carpet One. Stay tuned.
I want to remind you what this bathroom looked like. From just the wear and tear of the tile, to the age of it, to the old style, to some of just the little things that go in your bathroom that just make your bathroom more personal. All that stuff was outdated. I mean, we've done just a marvelous job. I know the family's gonna love it. And I know she's gonna love this bathroom because it is simply gorgeous. And I really, really doubt she's gonna use the beautiful guarantee. There's just no way. Well, look how this floor is laid out now. With the 45-degree angle and the way the wall is with the brick joint, this is so updated. It is just absolutely gorgeous. The way it's just gonna go with the tub, the brand new tub. The way the actual tile is laid is making this bathroom look bigger. Not only brighter, but bigger in the way it's laid. And I'm so happy I chose this way to lay it. This bathroom has gone from dingy into just absolutely gorgeous. This is breathtaking. Now what we did about 5 feet high is put a mosaic 6-inch height, and it's a 1 foot that went all the way across the wall that was just simply gorgeous. A mosaic is a piece of jewelry for a tile. It adds something, a little something to whatever you want, so you just don't have a bare wall. We decided with this bathroom to go ahead and use some more accessories, just like the mosaic. So what we did is we went ahead and put some crown molding that went well along with the vanity top. The vanity top going well with the marble looking tile. I mean, this is just beautiful in how everything is so white, crisp, and clean looking. And just a lovely, lovely look for a bathroom.
You know, you see it develop and it doesn't take very long. It's a few days, you'd have your beautiful floors or your beautiful, bathrooms or kitchens. It does take some doing and some inconvenience for you for a few days, but the end results are so gorgeous and beautiful. Most of the floors that we have that satisfaction warranty. In case you did make a mistake choosing a color or a texture or whatever, the reason that you didn't like we don't want you to have it. We want you to be very happy with the floor that you buy from us.